here from Mindy's Craft Shack. Today I'm going to be showing you how I prepare a tumbler for glitter, hydro dip, any type of decoration you're going to do with it. I've got my gloves, my mask, 60 grit sandpaper, a stainless steel tumbler, a drying rack, 91% alcohol, paper towel, my spray paint, and some saran wrap. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to put some gloves on here. And my mask. It's important to wear a mask so you don't get the stainless steel particles that come off with this sandpaper into your lungs. They just don't mix. So what I'm going to do is just take my sandpaper and my tumbler and just start going over it, just like so. And what this is going to do is scratch it up pretty good. So anything that you put on it, like the spray paint, it's going to adhere to it better. And you just go around the cup one time. I think I got that pretty good. And then I always do the bottom of it too. Okay, and then what you're going to do next is take it to your kitchen sink, and unfortunately I don't have one in my craft shack, but what I'm going to do is take it to my kitchen sink, wash it off with just some Dawn and warm water, and I will be right back. Okay, so what I did was I just quickly washed the cup with Dawn and warm soapy water, or warm soapy water, and now I'm just gonna take it and dry it off with just a towel. Okay, and then what I do is just kind of set it aside, let that air dry a little bit more. And while that's air drying, I take my saran wrap and my drying rack here, and you know, I just went to the dollar store, got a towel holder and a pool noodle, put it over the towel holder, and it works perfect for a nice simple drying rack. And I take saran wrap. Now the reason why I take the saran wrap is I like to put it around the pool noodle, and because we're going to be spray painting. And so when I first started doing this, I didn't do this step, and then I found that when I spray paint, it would get on the pool noodle and it would dry, and then the next cup I did, I would put it on the pool noodle, and then I'd get little flakes of spray paint from the pool noodle, and it would just get all over my cup and ruin my cup. I'd have to rewash it, and so I have found this step to be very important for when I do my cups. So now that I've got the saran wrap on my pool noodle, I just take my cup and put it over the pool noodle, and it's pretty sturdy. It's not going to come off of there. My dry paper towel, and I'm going to just get a little bit of alcohol, 91% alcohol, and I actually put this in just a little bottle that I got from the dollar store, and I'm just going to take it and rub it all around the cup. And this just gets a lot of the excess that might be left behind from your sanding. And then I just let that air dry. Now you can kind of see some of that. I don't know if you can tell it on there, but there's some residue on there from my cup. So, like I said, it doesn't take long for that to dry. And I'm gonna give it, I always give it like a half an hour, and then I'll come back and we'll go spray paint. Alright, right now we're outside of Mindy's Craft Shack, and I've got my white spray paint, and I'm using a flat white, and it is from Rust-Oleum. It's the 2X Ultra Cover, and my cup. And I'm just going to shake my spray paint up really well. And then I'm going to take my tumbler and my spray paint, and I'm just going to start spraying it. And I just go in a line like so. I try to stay about 10 inches away from the cup because I don't want any drips on my cup. So like I said, I try to stay about 10 inches at least. And then I just keep going around it until it's totally, completely covered in the white. I hope you can see that okay. Here. I don't want any of the silver showing. See how well that's covered in the white. All the way around and the bottom of it. And do wear gloves because the spray paint's hard to get off your fingers. Alright, and there you have it. And that is how I prepare a tumbler for glitter, hypro-dipping, alcohol ink, any type of design you're going to do with it. It's important to know that you don't have to use just white. Like I've said in one of my other videos, I believe it was the sunflower glitter video, I used yellow for the background to cover up the cup. And so use whatever color your cup's going to be, and do the same process. Now if you like this video, go ahead and click the subscribe button and leave a comment. If you have any questions, I will get back to you and answer those questions as they come along. I want to thank you for coming to Mindy's Craft Shack. Love you. Bye.